Hi everyone. Well, in this lesson we're going to be painting holiday cards. It's a great practice to do small little cards and do several of them over and over. They go together quite easily and you can really practice on these cards. And everyone loves to get handmade holiday cards in the mail. The first one we're going to do is holiday lights. So a string of lights that we're going to be using a little bit of masking fluid on and then layering color over each other to get them darker and darker and have them reflect off each other. It's a great little learning practice to watch how colors bleed together a little bit and to create lights reflecting off of a surface. The second one we're going to do is a nice tree which has lights on it and some snow. So we're going to use a little bit of masking fluid on the tree and in the bulbs so we keep the bulbs nice and bright, and then learn how to paint really dark colors underneath the snow to create that look of snow sitting on branches. Very fun one to do. And finally, we're going to be doing a really wet into wet one where we're working with really wet paper and really wet paint to create some pine boughs and a nice Christmas ornament or a nice bright red ball in it. This one's really fun to do, and it's really how you really should do watercolors, really wet into wet. Get used to working with a lot of water and a lot of paint. I think you'll really enjoy these lessons. They were very fun to put together, and I look forward to see what you come up with.